Welcome to Perfect Fit Closets. We're excited to have you as our dealer and confident our recorded videos will assist in your education and training. Let's get started. I have my perfectfitclosets.com website. On the right-hand side, I have my dealer login. I'm going to left-click dealer login, and that unlocks several different tabs, and I've already signed in for the day. Please type in your applicable username and password. I'm going to hover over the 2020 catalog section. I have two different links. We have the Canadian Closet Catalog and the USA Closet Catalog. Please download the applicable catalog pertaining to your country. If I left click on my USA PFC Closet Catalog, we can read any notices above. And right here, we should only have one link to the best closet catalog and the newest catalog that we have to offer. We're currently offering one catalog right now called PFC US 2023-1015, and this was updated on October 18th, 2023. There are instructions below on how to actually open up Catalog Manager and how to install using the wizard, which is very, very simple. So let's go ahead and get that started right now. I'm going to right click on the link and left click Save Link As. A new dialog box appears, and we can certainly download the latest file. It's called PFC US 2023-1015 rev1.zip. Please do not do any name changes. Let's keep the name intact as it will help 2020 identify where the catalog is and what it's called. I'm going to click it onto my desktop for the time being, and it's saved. So again, instructions are down below, but here is how to do it. On my magnifying glass, I'm going to search at the very bottom. If you don't know where the catalog manager is, I can type in catalog. And I have Catalog Manager 13 as I'm currently using version 13 of 2020 designs. Catalog Manager opens and a new dialog box appears. The third button is called Install Catalog from Archive. I'm going to left click and new dialog box appears and it says Catalog Install. This is a wizard and we just follow through the steps. We're going to left click on Next, select Archive Catalog to install. We'll left click the three dashes and we'll open up the latest catalog. I've located the catalog. We'll click on Open. After waiting for a brief moment, it populates. I've got a check mark. That's the exact catalog that I wish. And I'm going to click on the next button. I'm going to go ahead and click on Start. And it says there's already a catalog in place. We can certainly overwrite it if you've got a previous catalog version. And if you do not have our catalog and this is the first time you're downloading and installing it, it'll be blank. We're going to left click on OK to overwrite our existing catalog. And it'll just take a few seconds to download, install, and so forth. Please note that Catalog Manager will not open or work if your current 2020 platform is open. Please close your 2020 platform and open up Catalog Manager on its own. Once this is all done, we're at 100%. It took 24 seconds to install. We're going to left click on Finish. And we can close out of Catalog Manager. We can certainly open up 2020 designs now. And we can confirm and verify that it's open. Now that I have my 2020 designs open, I can left click on my browser and verify that I've got my current catalog open. I can left click PFC US. I've located it. And down below at the very bottom of our local browser, we should have the same naming convention with the link as well as the zipped file that we downloaded called US 2023-1015 Rev1. So I've confirmed that I've got the correct catalog and it's installed correctly. If you have any challenges with 2020, please contact 2020 customer support. After we've downloaded our closet catalog, let's get started with what your account representative will provide you. If I hover over the training section here, we're going to left click on this software training. There are two main sections here for our software training. This is the first section here called software training. Under software training, we have several different links above, and then we have section 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. The first section is a quick overview. Section 2 pertains to modules, parts, and accessories that are in 2020 designs. And we have section 3 of 3 for kitchen door and drawer fronts and lift doors. Before these sections here, let's talk about our 2020 software video and guided training. If I left click on this, this is the document PDF that your account representative should provide you. If you don't already have it, that's where it's located. Let's do that one more time. We can click on the software training section, training, software training, and we're going to left click 2020 design software videos and guided training. This PDF will assist you getting started. We have a QR code that you can certainly download and click on using your camera and on your actual phone. And we also have the YouTube link here. We can go ahead and open up the YouTube link. And in this link, there are 8 different videos. This is a playlist for a quick guide on getting started. Again, this is just an overview, just a quick guide to get you started. The first video is about wall creating. Second video is creating an advanced using our past webinar. And then we have designing with a 1/4 inch variances, 1 inch variances. Next is we have tall modules on how to build it, wall modules on how to build it. Next is we have modules and parts and how to combine everything. And the last video that we have are color, profiles, and finishes. We can see here in our new tab, we have all the different playlists that you can surely familiarize yourself with. Once you're all done with the quick guide and you'd like access to further training, we have 3 different areas to train yourselves on. The first video is, or the first link is our dealer portal videos. If we hover back, this is our main training section here. Again, that's training and software training. Section 1 of 3 talks about our general overview on how to look up your catalog, how to download it, design and setup, important design information such as a 1/4 inch off the wall, 1 inch off the wall. We have different design tips such as designing using the 360 panoramic viewer. We have rescaling and moving modules, tips and tricks, and how to enhance your design, such as use lighting, bringing appliance and accessories in the design, and changing floor types and wall colors. 2020 has got a fantastic software program that's very robust and can take care of all the design needs that you need. Section 2 of 3 pertains to the actual parts and pieces dedicated in 2020 designs. Here's an example. If I open up my local browser in 2020 designs, I can double click on my categories. In my categories, I've got my closet section, garage section, and the kitchen section. If I double click on my modules in my catalog, we can see that the dealer portal training guide and the 2020 local browser guide are one and the same. We've got our stacked modules, wall modules, tall modules, and so forth. If we go back one, we have our categories, parts, and same thing. We have our parts. We have our panels, shelves, drawers, and so forth. So this is a very helpful tool using our platform and using our dealer portal to familiarize yourself with our catalog in 2020 designs. If we go back to the same guided training PDF, the next section for our dealer portals is going to be our webinar videos. We've pre-recorded some of our older webinar videos, which we think would be very helpful as you as the designer for advanced training as well as basic training. To access our webinar videos, we have a link right here. But also, if we take a quick step back, we're underneath the software training segment. And right here is our support software webinar videos. These are all pre-recorded videos. We can see all the links to the right. And on the left-hand column is exactly what we spoke about. Here's an example. July 26, 2022. How to build using wall modules. So this is a pre-recorded webinar where we built wall modules. July 12th, 2022, we have basics on how to use tall modules, how to create walls, reaching closets, and how to build tall modules, and so forth. Here's an advanced one coming down below here. How to make beautiful renders on September 23rd, 2021. How to add line-to-line annotations and notes. Add items to a render such as shirts and shoes. And how to add lighting and floor changes. We go back to our PDF page. The last section is book live appointment. As stated, we recommend the above videos are viewed first. Once you familiarize yourself with the dealer portal and our software videos, we recommend booking a live screen session with our support team for education, training, and design assistance, and as well as general questions. If you left click on the click here to book an appointment with our support team, a new window opens. Based off your computer time, will indicate the exact times that we are available. Click on the desired date as well as time. Here's an example. If I booked in January 16th, 2024 at 10 a.m., I can left click on this session, type in my first name, last name, email address, type in my information such as phone number, company name, and reason for booking. So we can go ahead and definitely type that in. Company name, call it PFC, and the reason for booking. Let's say we need training session. Need someone to watch me train. As an example, once I've filled in my fields, I can click on book. I now have booking confirmed, and we have an email that's sent to my personal email address with the exact date and time, as well as the meeting link. You can book these sessions however you'd like. You can book it for training, designing, anything that you need. We're in the business of education, and we would love to assist and educate you further on your designs. If you need a file review, we can certainly do that, or any help that you may need. Some of the videos that we've made are past videos, so they might be outdated. They all go to the same premise. If you have any further questions, please do contact us at support@perfectfitcanada.com or reach us toll-free at 1-866-227-2006, and we'll be happy to assist your needs. So once again, that's support@perfectfitcanada.com or at 1-866-697-2020 for 2020 customer support.